Do you know what is the reason of your problems? What are the main reasons of problems? 80% problems are because of laziness. Please take a moment and think about it. 80% problems are because of laziness. What is laziness? Okay, I will do this, I have a time. I will give you example of students, like what students are doing. Okay, I my semester is just started and I have 4 months, so I will take 2 week rest, and after 1 month I will be focusing on my studies. Similarly, same situation lingering on. What is happening in offices? Okay, I will do this, I will do this, I will do this. What is the basic reason behind less effectiveness and efficiency? Is laziness. If we are active and we are taking immediate action, whatever we are doing, we are taking immediate action, so we will be getting immediate results. So I want to suggest you, please avoid laziness as much as possible you can do. I want to give you like a lot of simple examples. If you are like want to go somewhere and you have given time to your friend that I will reach there 10 o'clock, just think about this in your life. How many times you achieved this, you reached on the given time on a place, what you made commitment with your friends or with your like anyone else. That is the main thing. We don't give importance, and that is becoming our habit. As in my previous video I told you, if you are new on this video, if you are watching first time this video, please subscribe this channel, Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. It will also improve your confidence level, your communication skill, your spoken English, and your ability to search, how to search a job, and how to be appear in interview, and how to be very good in your interview, and a lot of other skills as well. If as like if you are a student, how you can achieve good grades, good CGPA, how you can focus on your education. First of all, you need to be very active. Please remove laziness from your life. Whatever you want to do, take immediate action and you will get the result. So like I was talking about, I share a very amazing like pair of words in my previous video. Sow the seed of thought, reap in action. Sow the seed of action, reap in habit. Sow the seed of habit, reap in character. And sow the seed of character, reap in destiny. Like your thought, what are you thinking is shaping your destiny. Destiny means your main ultimate goal, what you want to achieve in your life. That depends on your thinking. What you will think, you will take action repeatedly. What anything you will be doing, taking action, that will become your habit, and habits will become your character, and your character will become your destiny. So now I am going to ask, today we are going to do our spoken English practice number 29. If you are new, please you can watch our previous videos, spoken English practice number 1 till spoken English practice number 28, and it will help you a lot. I'm getting very good feedback from people, and you can do spoken English practice sitting anywhere, and your main problem is going to solve with the help of this Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel. What is that? You people are always saying, I don't get a friend to practice, I don't get a friend to practice. So now you can do practice. So I'm going to ask you a question, and the number one question is, and the topic is internet, and question number 1 is, do you use the internet? Question number 2, when did you first use the internet? Question number 3, about how many hours a day do you use the internet? Question number 4, what you think internet is good for student? 5, do men or women use the internet for different purposes? Question number 6, do you use the internet for fun or education? Question number 8, do you think that internet can be used for education? 9, Do you use internet for entertainment? 10. What are the websites you commonly use? 11. What is the best thing about the internet? 12. Do you use the internet from your mobile phone? 12. Have you ever chatted on the internet? 12. Is it dangerous to meet people on the internet? What do you think about this? 13. Do you think that the internet is safe for children? 14. Do you think that people should put photos of their friends onto the internet? What is your opinion? 16. Do you read books on internet? 17. Do you think that it is a good habit to play computer games? Okay. Do you think that internet will replace libraries? How does the internet help people from different countries to communicate with each other? What do you think only rich people use internet? 19. Many universities are now offering online courses. What is your opinion about this? And the last question, question number 20. What do you think? Is it a good thing to spend more and more time on internet, on entertainment? What is your opinion about this? Dear friend, this was Spoken English Masterclass YouTube channel, and you was listening and watching Spoken English practice number 29. I congratulate you on your consistency and on your sincerity, because if you are not sincere with you, who will sincere with you? So first of all, if you want to achieve something and you want to make a better life for yourself and for your family, please love yourself, please be sincere with yourself. So if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, share this video on social media with your friends and spread this message, so this will be helping people. And I want to tell you once again, spoken English is very easy, and you can improve quickly, and you can improve your confidence level and your spoken English within days. So please do more and more practice. Watch this video again and again. If you are new, watch videos from Spoken English practice number 1 till Spoken English practice number 29. Thank you very much. Goodbye.